Hi everyone, today we are going to learn about OpenAI and ChatGPT. OpenAI is a research organization founded in 2015 with the goal of promoting and developing friendly AI that benefits humanity. One of their notable creations is ChatGPT, a language generation model based on the transformer architecture.
ChatGPT utilizes deep learning techniques to generate human-like responses to text inputs, enabling it to participate in natural language conversations, answer questions, summarize articles, generate creative writing, and more. It was trained on a massive dataset of over 40 gigabytes of text from various sources, allowing it to have a broad understanding of human language.
The usage of ChatGPT is vast, with applications in areas such as customer service, content creation, and even mental health therapy. In customer service, ChatGPT can be integrated into websites and messaging platforms to provide quick and accurate responses to customer inquiries, reducing wait times and increasing customer satisfaction.
For content creation, ChatGPT can assist in writing articles, composing poems, or even creating video game dialogue. In the field of mental health, ChatGPT can be used to provide support and guidance to individuals who may not have access to a therapist.
OpenAI continues to advance the capabilities of ChatGPT and other language generation models, with the goal of making AI more accessible and beneficial to society. While it is important to note that ChatGPT is not perfect and may generate responses that are offensive or misleading, OpenAI is committed to responsibly advancing AI and ensuring its benefits are realized in a safe and ethical manner.
In conclusion, ChatGPT is a remarkable language generation model created by OpenAI that has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries. With continued development and advancements in AI technology, the potential applications for ChatGPT are limitless.
We hope you find this video insightful and gain some knowledge about OpenAI and ChatGPT. Please do like, comment, and share this video with your friends, colleagues, and all the AI enthusiasts out there. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel.